the plan, y'all. 2008 Mazda Miata. Trying to turn it into a 43 Jeep Willys. Ain't gonna be no speed demon, but it's gonna be pretty cool. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Yes, sir. See what them little internals is looking like now. We're getting down on y'all. I say 2 months. I'll have it finished. Maybe not finished, but up and driving with the Jeep body on it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, made it down. Now I'm gonna have to get a hell of a run. See if I can get over that hill. Try it out. Find somewhere to set y'all. I ain't used to this little tripod thing, man. Okay, y'all. This should be everything you're gonna need, I hope. Door down. One to go. Ooh. Looking more like a buggy. Got a fender for sale too, 50 bucks. Doors 12. Alright, so we back on. So I was gonna show you guys this little sucker right here. It must have another bolt on the inside, or nut, or it was welded into the body and it popped loose. So it did the same thing on the other side. Light wire. I'll just keep it moving right down that line then. That's about 100 pounds so far off the car. Look. That's a base. Until tomorrow, stay alert, stay alive, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Clean welds in. Well, my welds ain't gonna be clean, but they're gonna look alright. I can't weld for shit. Got one of these little doohickeys right here. These suckers take it down pretty good.
Kick ass.
This looks like a wide body lowered Willys Jeep. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Getting there. Wide body 47 Willys.